Hello Rafael, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor, presenting a personal video for you for the 2008 BMW K1200GT, 112,701 kilometers, and the price is $79.88 plus the GST and licensing. This motorcycle is fully safety certified, comes with a saddle box, and it's very clean. Previous owner maintained in the proper way this motorcycle. You do have heated grips, you have a power windshield, and also cruise control. If you want me to secure this motorcycle, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. Thank you.